The Samsung Galaxy S25 is set to make its debut on January 22, 2025, during the Galaxy Unpacked event in San Jose, California, and it promises to be a major leap forward in smartphone technology. The S25 will feature a sleek, premium design with a titanium frame, offering improved durability without adding unnecessary weight. Its 6.4-inch AMOLED display is designed to deliver an exceptional visual experience, with ultra-thin bezels and vibrant color accuracy that enhance both multimedia and productivity tasks. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 is powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which ensures smooth performance, efficient multitasking, and enhanced gaming experiences. Samsung has also focused on artificial intelligence, introducing a highly advanced Bixby assistant that can handle more complex commands and provide personalized suggestions based on user behavior. Another standout feature is the Now Bar, a new addition that delivers real-time insights and summaries tailored to your schedule and activities. Combined with a robust battery designed to last all day and support for fast charging, the Galaxy S25 represents a seamless blend of power, intelligence, and style. It aims to set a new benchmark for flagship smartphones in 2025, appealing to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike.